Hey there. So it's February. Happy February. It's a big month for lovers, right? Valentine's Day is in the middle of the month, but it's also a great month for preparing our beds for I know what you're thinking. Get your mind out of the gutter. Get your get your beds ready for planting tomatoes. If you've ever had a homegrown tomato, you know there's no comparison with a homegrown tomato compared to a store-bought tomato. So I want to encourage you, if you've never done it before, I'm here to help you. I'm going to walk you through this step by step, month by month, on growing tomatoes. I've been doing this for 30, this will be my 33rd year of growing tomatoes. I usually grow about 18 to 25 tomato plants, and I'm going to show you what kind of plants to get, um, what not to get, and most importantly is preparing your soil, which starts now in February. So I'm encouraging you to find a spot in your garden to to remove the weeds. Maybe get a if you don't have a spot for it, maybe get a pot and just get some soil this month before the month's over. Get your soil ready because we're planting in March. So you can see I've got the smoker going right now. It's a beautiful day. Give you a quick peek at my garden. It's an absolute mess. I've got a ton of weeds, but this will give you a little bit of encouragement in case you're thinking you've got a lot of weeding to do. This is a lot of weeding to do. So I've got an old tomato plant down here, and this thing's huge, and it really wants to live. So I don't think I have the heart to yank it. So I'm going to see what happens with that. But it's in a mound. It's really not ideal for growing tomatoes. But over here, this is where I really do my tomato gardening, and I also grow some peppers. So we'll be doing salsa and stuff over the summer. But this is the time. So prepare your soil, pick your weeds out, turn the soil, just take a shovel and turn it over, turn it over. If you're really ambitious, test your soil. If you want some tips on that, call me, text me, email me. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Super simple. I think I bought a kit for around 15 or 18 bucks, and this will be the fifth or sixth time I've used it. So it's well worth the investment. Trust me, after over 30 years of tomato gardening, testing your soil is worth it, and I can give you more details on that. But step one this month, before February's over, get your soil ready. You don't need a big spot, maybe just maybe 3 by 3 area, 3 foot by 3 foot area. And if you can't do that, the biggest pot you can get, and some good soil. All right, so do that. And as always, if you know anyone that's considering buying or selling real estate, please give them my name, or better yet, give me their name and number, and I'll contact them, because there's things that they can do now as a buyer or a seller that will make a big difference in the results. So the sooner we connect, the better. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day, and I will catch you next month when we're actually planting our tomatoes.